If you guys like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as hit the bell notification icon to get an update on all my latest videos. Hope you all enjoy. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, everybody? Yankee Dewey here, and coming at you with a really quick install video. And as you can see, we are going to be replacing the door sill cover. Here we have our Ford Performance one that I got from all those great people over there at Ford Performance. So very simple install today. We're going to just be simply removing the factory. We're going to put the new one on, and I'll show you guys here how it looks in the rear. There's just a tab on each side. You have a piece of adhesive, so let's get to it. So to get off the old one, it's pretty simple. All you're going to do is just take it, and you're just going to pull up, just like that. Don't be afraid to just kind of take it and just yank on it, and there we go. So you're going to be left with this piece of adhesive here, which is actually quite a bit. It's actually quite a bit more than the adhesive on there, but that's okay. Hopefully this will come off nicely. So actually, you are going to have to kind of work at it to get it off, but doesn't really leave behind much residue, so as long as you're just getting it off the paint, it's fine. So what I'm actually finding out is don't go from the side here and pull this way. Actually just work down like that. That's the best way. All right, so there we go. It's gonna take you about a good 5 minutes to get that adhesive off if you're just using your hands. And I'm gonna spray it up with some Chemical Guys VO7, wipe this down, and we'll get the new one installed. Okay, so now that we got the surface all wiped down, I actually took just a little alcohol pad, and I just lightly just kind of dabbed right where the adhesive strip tape was going to go. So it should adhere pretty well, and now all you have to do is just clamp it in. All right, so we'll go ahead, peel back the adhesive, and then once you get it nice and set, you should just be able to push right down. Snapped in, snap it in, and there we go. Alright guys, so there we go. Very easy install. It took really, maybe 10 minutes tops. The worst part was just getting that other adhesive tape off, which wasn't really too bad. And I just think that just looks great. I love it too because it matches the theme of the car, which of course, if you know my build, is Ford Performance. But anyways, I really hope that helped. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and I will all see you in the next one. Take it easy, guys.
If you guys like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as hit the bell notification icon to get an update on all my latest videos. Hope you all enjoy. Thanks for watching.